right, boys and girls, if you're tuning in, then that's because I'm offering you help on number 1 of our Simplifying Expressions activity. And you have already written down number 1, probably with me in the direction portion of our assignment. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and make our little checklist. So I'm going to go ahead and write GMA over here to the side. And I am going to think about what G stands for. G stands for groupings, and so we do have 2 grouping symbols. And since we have 2 grouping symbols, we're going to go ahead and start with the one that is at the front. I have adding and I have multiplying, and when I have 2 options, I want to go with multiply over adding first. So I'm going to go ahead and underline this portion, and I'm going to begin solving. What is 15 times 3? That's right, 15 times 3 is 45. And so then I'm going to drop the addition sign and the number 26. And since that's still in the parentheses, I'm going to go ahead and move my parentheses down. I'm going to drop my adding symbol, and then I'm going to rewrite this portion here. I'm going to go ahead and solve what is in that parentheses right now. Let me get this a little more focused. And that would be this piece of information. So if I'm adding 26 and 45, if I need to, I can step to the side and I can put it out to the side, or I can simply just take my 1s and my 1s, which is 11. And 4 and 2 would give me 6, plus 1 more gives me 7. So it looks like that total will be 71. Then I'm going to drop my addition sign, and I'm going to drop my second set of parentheses. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to solve my second set of parentheses, because I'm still in my groupings. And we know 4 times 9 is 36. So I'm going to rewrite the 36. I'm going to drop the addition symbol, and I'm going to drop the number 71. Now that I've done all of my grouping symbols, I'm done with that. Are there any multiplicatives? No, there are not. And finally, I have my adding. And so remember, again, you can step out to the side and you can add to the side. Or you could simply just say 1s plus 1s, which would be 7, and 10s and 10s, which would be 10. So your final answer is 107, so you need to box that in. Once you get your box in number, go back to your answer sheet and go ahead and write that here. Okay?